Hey, idiot. Boom. Stop. I'm telling you, people are so distracted by everything. They don't pay attention. Oh my God. But yet the 17-year-old kid ripped me a new one. I'm telling you, people are so distracted by everything. They don't pay attention. I swear, I'm gonna see someone get hit while I'm live. So guys, do me a favor. Smokey. Wow! 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 That's one thing, I have it on camera. While someone's dead and it's freaking on the street. Wow! That was so close. Yeah, almost. And you think he gave two shits? Just kept on going. Unbelievable. Wow! Everybody's in such a hurry to get to the next red light. That's all it is. And I drove to the new hotel, New Dollywood Hotel, and I know the valet. And I asked him if I could go in there and film for 10 minutes. Idiot. Boom. Stop. Wow! Wow!